Have you ever looked up at a drone hovering in the sky and wondered, what's the magic behind that? How does it stay so perfectly still or zip around so fast without a pilot inside? Well, it's not magic, it's a fascinating blend of technology. Let's break down how drones actually work. At its core, a drone is a flying machine built around a frame, which is like its skeleton. This frame holds everything together, from the motors and propellers that generate lift to the battery that powers it all. But the real secret to a drone's flight isn't just the spinning blades. It's the brain of the operation, called the flight controller. Think of the flight controller as a mini computer. It's constantly receiving information from a whole suite of sensors. Gyroscopes and accelerometers are the key players here. They tell the flight controller if the drone is tilting or rolling, basically helping it keep its balance, much like your inner ear helps you stay upright. The flight controller then makes thousands of tiny adjustments to the speed of each motor every second to keep the drone stable. It's an incredible high-speed balancing act. But how does a drone know where it is in the world? That's where GPS comes in. Just like the GPS in your phone or car, a drone's GPS module locks onto satellites to pinpoint its exact location, altitude, and speed. This is what enables amazing features like autonomous waypoint navigation, where you can pre-program a flight path on a map, and the drone will follow it perfectly. It's also the secret behind the life-saving return-to-home function, which automatically brings the drone back to its takeoff spot if the signal is lost or the battery gets low. Modern drones are even smarter. Many are equipped with advanced sensors to see and avoid obstacles. They might use cameras, ultrasonic sensors that work like bat sonar, or even LiDAR, which uses lasers to create a 3D map of the surroundings. This technology allows drones to fly safely through complex environments without crashing into trees, buildings, or other objects. Of course, a drone needs to communicate with its operator on the ground. This happens through a communication link, usually using radio frequencies or Wi-Fi between the drone and a remote controller. This link sends your commands up to the drone like, go forward or ascend, and sends real-time data back down to you. This data includes a live video feed from the drone's camera, as well as crucial flight information like battery level, altitude, and speed. For professional, long-range missions, some drones can even use cellular or satellite networks to stay connected over vast distances. All of this hardware is powered by sophisticated software and flight control algorithms. The software is what interprets all the sensor data and translates your commands into precise adjustments of the motor speeds. It's what allows for different flight modes, from a super stable mode for beginners to a high-speed sport mode for experienced pilots. This software also enables fully autonomous tasks, like automatically tracking a moving person or car, or systematically flying over a field to create a detailed map. And let's not forget what most of us use drones for, capturing stunning visuals. Most consumer drones carry a high-quality camera. To get that silky smooth cinematic footage, the camera is mounted on a device called a gimbal. The gimbal is a miraculous piece of engineering that uses its own motors and sensors to counteract the drone's movements, keeping the camera perfectly steady no matter how the drone tilts, rolls, or shakes. It's like having a professional camera stabilizer built right in. Beyond cameras, drones can carry all sorts of payloads depending on their job. An agricultural drone might carry sensors to analyze crop health. A delivery drone might have a package release mechanism. And a search and rescue drone could be equipped with a thermal camera to find people in the dark. Safety is also a huge part of modern drone technology. Features like geofencing create virtual boundaries that the drone can't cross, preventing it from flying into restricted areas like airports. Automatic low battery warnings and landings help prevent crashes and ensure the drone makes it home safely. These automated systems make flying drones more accessible and much safer for everyone. So the next time you see a drone in action, you'll know it's not just a simple toy. It's a highly integrated system of hardware, intelligent sensors, advanced software, and communication technology, all working together in perfect harmony to achieve controlled and autonomous flight. As this tech continues to evolve, drones are becoming even smarter and more capable, unlocking new possibilities in everything from filmmaking to saving lives. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that shapes our world. See you in the next one.